Welcome to Best Choice. The best power tool stands is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of a well-equipped workshop. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, having a solid and reliable stand or mobile base for your power tools can significantly improve your workflow, safety, and the overall quality of your projects. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of power tool stands and mobile bases, exploring the key features and benefits to help you make the right choice. Number 5. SPACECARE Mobile Roller with 4 locking wheels. This mobile base adjusts from 18.5 to 27.6 inches. You can easily move a variety of furniture around your home with it. This mobile roller is perfect for appliances like portable washing machines, washer and dryer, or even a mini fridge. It's designed to fit a wide range of items. It features 4 360-degree locking swivel wheels. This allows you to move it effortlessly and lock the wheels to prevent any unwanted movement or collisions. It has a height of 3.75 inches and can support up to 300 pounds. The package includes 4 locking swivel wheels, sturdy PVC corner pieces, stainless steel poles, and a screw tool. Assembly is simple with the included instructions. Following the guide, you'll have it set up quickly. Trust this dolly roller to make moving your appliances a breeze. What we like. This mobile roller features an adjustable size, allowing it to fit a variety of appliances. It also has 360-degree wheels for easy maneuverability. If you have limited space or need to move appliances frequently, this is a great option. It's easy to assemble and will make your life much easier. What people say. Very sturdy frame, easy to assemble. The wheels lock and unlock super easily, and when they're locked and the dolly isn't going anywhere. The wheel locks do stop it from moving around. It's sturdy at this weight on it. Number 4. POWERTEC UT1002 Universal Power Tool Stand. This is the POWERTEC UT1002, a versatile tool stand designed to support your power tools. It provides a sturdy and dependable work surface for various benchtop tools. The stand features an expandable MDF split top, which expands to 20x25. It's perfect for supporting a variety of tools, giving you ample workspace. With a 500-pound load capacity, it can handle a wide array of tools and equipment. The stand is built to last, ensuring it can handle your toughest projects. It includes rubber feet that reduce vibration and prevent slipping. These feet also protect your floor from scratches and scuffs, keeping your workspace clean. The stand offers a comfortable 32-inch working height. It also includes an 18 by 27 storage shelf, providing extra space for your tools and accessories. What we like. This tool stand offers a robust 500-pound load capacity, making it suitable for various power tools. It also includes an adjustable foot pad for stability. If you are looking for a sturdy and reliable work surface for your smaller power tools, this stand is an excellent choice. It's designed to provide a stable and secure base for your projects. What people say. Very sturdy, well built, and robust. It was very easy to assemble. The table moves easily, is exactly the same height as my table saw, and is sturdy as an oak in a gentle breeze. Number 3. Bora Portamate PM 3750 Mobile Base and Extension Combo. This is the Bora Portamate PM 3750, a mobile base and extension combo. It's designed to make your cabinet table saw easy to move around the workshop. With this, you can move your saw and its supports together. The base features 3-foot operated floor locks. These locks provide a secure and stable base when you're working. It ensures that the saw stays firmly in place during operation. The base is adjustable in 1-inch increments. This allows you to customize the fit for your specific table saw. It provides flexibility and ease of use. Now, you can move both your table saw and the leg supports together. This feature enhances the overall mobility of your setup. It simplifies the process of rearranging your workshop. The PM 3750 boasts a 1,500-pound weight capacity. It's built to handle heavy-duty table saws and related equipment. This ensures durability and reliability. What we like. This mobile base is designed to move both your table saw and leg supports together, which is very convenient. It features 3-foot operated floor locks for secure positioning. If you like the convenience of moving your entire table saw setup as a single unit, this is the perfect solution. It offers a high weight capacity and easy adjustability. What people say. It's good quality, works great, easy setup. As far as I can tell, this is the most solidly built mobile base I've ever seen. The Portamate is a heavy-duty mobile platform. The fit and finish is exceptional and the Portamate is simple to assemble. Number 2. Bora Portamate PM 3800 mobile base with 5 wheels. Introducing the Bora Portamate PM 3800. It's a heavy-duty mobile base designed to make moving your equipment easy. This base is built to last and handle the toughest jobs. With a 1,500 pounds capacity, this mobile base can handle your heaviest machines. It's perfect for table saws, band saws, and more. You can rely on it to support your equipment. The 5-inch wheels provide high clearance, making it easy to move over cords and uneven floors. These wheels ensure smooth movement across various surfaces. It's designed for effortless gliding. The base adjusts to fit a variety of machines, from 20.75 x 23.75 to 28 x 33.5. You can customize it to fit your specific needs. It's adjustable in 1-inch increments. The foot-operated locking levers keep the base firmly in place. When it's time to move, the non-marring wheels provide an effortless glide. It's easy to use and very convenient. Need more space? The optional extension kit allows you to expand the size of the base. This provides extra support for larger objects. It's sold separately. What we like. This mobile base boasts an impressive 1,500 pounds capacity and 5-inch high clearance wheels, making it ideal for heavy-duty use. It's also adjustable to fit a wide range of machines. If you need to move large tools or equipment over uneven surfaces, this is the one for you. Its high capacity and clearance will make moving your tools a breeze. What people say. Well built and simple instructions. Works well on my saw-stop contractor's saw. The larger wheels do make movement much easier around the shop, and the riser's levers are easy to operate with your feet. Number 1. SPACECARE Workbench Casters Kit, 600 pounds capacity. These heavy-duty casters are built with solid steel and premium urethane. They can smoothly support up to 600 pounds per set, ensuring stability and durability for your workbenches and equipment. The retractable design lets you switch between stationary and mobile modes with ease. You can adjust the height to fit various furniture perfectly. Please note that it works best on smooth surfaces. Equipped with a 360-degree swivel bracket, the wheels can turn in any direction. This allows you to move your workbench, table, or cabinet to its destination more easily and flexibly. Made from high-quality materials, these casters are built to last, providing excellent stability and smooth movement. They are perfect for workbenches, tables, cabinets, and more, making them a versatile solution. The kit includes 4 caster assemblies, all necessary hardware, and instructions. Designed for quick and hassle-free installation, it's easy to set up on your workbenches, tables, or cabinets. What we like. This workbench caster kit is built for heavy-duty use, supporting up to 600 pounds per set. It features a retractable design and adjustable height for a perfect fit. If you are looking for a versatile solution for your workbenches, tables, or cabinets, this kit is a great choice. The 360-degree casters ensure easy maneuverability in your workshop. What people say. The heavy-duty design feels rock solid, and the retractable feature means you can roll your bench into place, then lock it down so it won't budge an inch. Installation is straightforward, and once mounted, they make moving bulky workbenches, tables, or cabinets almost effortless. They are very sturdy. I looked at some others and these hold more weight than I needed, but I was drawn to them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.